Hello and happy summer, Fragrance fam! We're so excited for warmer weather here in the AFI Project Lab, and I wanted to celebrate the season with some vibrant, fruity bath bombs. I think our version of Bath & Body Works Caribbean Salsa is the perfect fragrance for almost any bath and beauty product. So I got my hands on some for today's video. This is a new bath bomb recipe that we've never shared before, so keep on watching to find out how we make colorful, bubbly, fizzy, and fragrant bath bombs for the summer season. Just like most bath bomb recipes, this starts with dry ingredients. Strain in the baking soda and the citric acid into the mixing bowl to get out any clumps. You'll also need the arrowroot powder, cream of tartar, titanium dioxide, and a pinch of sodium lauryl sulfate acetate. The combination of all these powders will help bind the bath bombs together and give them a nice, stable fizz that lasts throughout the whole bath. Let's move on to the wet ingredients. The majority of the wet stuff is made up by the fragrance, meaning these bath bombs will be seriously scented. And of course, here's the star of the show, our version of Caribbean Salsa by Bath & Body Works. It makes up 4% of the recipe, so if you use something else, make sure it's approved for that rate in bath bombs, which is it for category 9. It's all measured out now, so we're gonna add it in straight into our polysorbate 80. Finish it all up with some fractionated coconut oil and a little bit of cocamidopropyl betaine. Stir the wet ingredients until you get a nice, even mixture. Using a scale, evenly divide the wet and dry ingredients into thirds. Add just a pinch of batch-certified FD&C dye in different, bright colors to each container of liquid ingredients. I'm using pink, bright red, and yellow for gorgeous tropical sunset vibes. Stir them in well. Pour the liquids into each of the containers with a dry mix and work it in using gloved hands. You'll notice the colors start to pop right away. Once you've got a very wet, sandy mixture, grab each color and test it by grabbing a clump and squeezing it together. Look how it holds together. If it's a little bit dry and crumbly, give each mixture a couple spritz of 50-50 water and 99% isopropyl alcohol blend. Now we're on to molding the bath bombs. Sprinkle a little bit of each color one after another into the mold until it's lightly piled high. Close up the mold, tap it together firmly, and look at that. It's so vibrant and it unmolds so clearly. Finish molding all of the bath bombs and set them somewhere cool and dry to harden. After about 48 hours, they'll be ready to use. I recommend giving them up to a week to really firm up for the fizziest, bubbliest bath bombs. Alright guys, here's one of my Caribbean Salsa bath bombs that's been curing for a couple days. I'd like to test it out for y'all. So, here's what we've all been waiting for. You can see just how bubbly and colorful they are. I hope watching this video got you inspired to make something with this Caribbean Salsa fragrance, or even just try out my bath bomb recipe. If you have any questions, please drop them down below, or reach out to us via our web store at afi-usa.com. While you're there, don't forget that we offer 10% off of some of our best-selling fragrances every week. So sign up for our newsletter to stay in the know. Thanks so much for watching, Fragrance fam. Be sure to leave a like before you leave, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.